Ganda pa ng bahay niyo, Aiko.
Hindi naman.
Hi. Kumusta ka na, Aiko? Long time no see, ah.
Andrew, kumusta ka na?
When you look me in the eyes and tell me that you love me, everything's alright. When you're right here.
Sino siya?
Kaibigan ko.
Hi. Ako pala si Andrew.
Ako si Peachy.
I don't know why, but when I look in your eyes, I feel something that seems so bright. You've got yours, I've got mine. I think I'm losing my mind, 'cause I shouldn't feel this way. Catch me, I'm falling. Why is that sad look in your eyes? Why are you crying? Tell me, tell me, tell me why you're feeling this way. I hate to see you so down, no, baby. Is it your heart that's breaking all in pieces, making you cry, making you
I'm sorry.
Okay lang yun, Miss. Ano ba nangyayari sa inyo?
Wala. Masama lang pakiramdam ko.
Gusto mo, para mawala yung ikot mo, bibigyan kita ng ice cream.
Ha? Sige. A few days later, after they met, Francis and Aiko became close friends. And eventually, Francis courted Aiko. Kumusta ka na, Francis? Sorry nga pala kahapon, ha?
Okay lang yon, Aiko. Walang problema. Basta ikaw. Kumusta ka? Ang love life mo? Meron ka na bang, alam mo na, sa ganda mong yan, no?
Heto, okay lang. Malungkot ang love life. Pero di bali na yun.
So may chance pa pala ako kung okay lang sa'yo. Hihi. Aiko, okay ka lang? Anong problema? Anong nangyayari sa'yo?
Francis.
I've known you for so long, you are a friend of mine. But is this all we'd ever
Dear
be?
Peachy, I value our friendship a lot. But I can't force myself to keep this in silence, especially that you're my best friend. Honestly, I love Andrew since we were still young. But he loves you and you love him too. So I just kept my feelings for him and made a sacrifice because I want you to be happy with him. And you mean so much to me, Peachy. You seem like my sister. I love you very much. Hello?
Peachy, si Francis to. Si Aiko nasa ospital. Nahimatay siya kanina.
Ha?
Kayo bang kamag-anak ng pasyente? Ang mga kaibigan ni Aiko.
May chronic heart disease siya. Kailangan ng heart transplant.
A million times I'm more I thought about you.
Bakit nangyari kay
Years
Aiko
of
to?
tears and left to things we used to do. Our memories that warm me like a sunny day. You touch my life
Nasaan si
in
Peachy?
such a special way. I miss the way it runs
Di namin siya nakita.
through my head.
Aiko, pinabibigay pala to ng kaibigan mo.
Huh? Si Peachy?
Aiko, maraming salamat sa lahat ng ginawa mo sa akin. Kaya bilang pasasalamat ko, ibinigay ko sa iyo ang puso ko para lang mabuhay ka pa. Aiko, ganyan kita kamahal. I just wish for your happiness. Paalam, Aiko.
Ha 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 ha!